Hello and welcome to this short course about Agile methodology and Scrum. This short course I'm going to show you exactly what Agile is and how it differs from traditional methods like Waterfall methodology. In Waterfall methodology, it looks like this, and it's split into stages. So you have requirements gathering, you have design, implementation stage, and maintenance phase. And the problem with this is if you're building some kind of product, in this case, let's say it's a software product application, you cannot change direction so fast. So it's kind of rigid and you want something more flexible, more agile. So let's check out the agile methodology. And we can see here it's not split in parts, but it's split into feature building sprints. So we're starting with just small proof of concept or minimal viable product. And on top of this, we're building features. Features are released after the sprints, so everybody is working together. Designers, developers, user experience, QA, everybody is working on small feature. In this case, let's say it could be product gallery, something like this. And we're adding to our initial product. Okay, let's check out what are the roles in Agile development. First of all, we have a product owner. So he's having a bad day here because he has an application, but he needs something built and he's communicating with the Scrum Master. He's a kind of project manager person and he's communicating with the team members. The team members are developers, designers, QA. So everybody is working together to add some feature to the initial product. So the team members are not communicating directly to the product owner, just maybe in the case when they're showing something in the demo phases of the sprint. The sprint board, we have tasks that are split into columns. You can see here there are new tasks in progress, QA, failed and closed tasks. So this means doing tasks are 0% completed and closed tasks are 100% completed. This means they have gone through the phases of development, styling, QA, testing. So after they pass every test, they can be transferred to the closed column or failed column. And this means if the task is failed, it needs to be transferred back to the first column. And after that, it can be redeveloped or modified. At the end of each sprint, we demo the added feature to the client. So this is the only time that the team members is communicating with the product owner to show them what they built. So after that has been finished and accepted by the client, we go through the sprint retrospective. So sprint retrospective is showing us what is the percentage of completion of our planned burn down chart. So burn down chart is composed of estimates and the timeline. The timeline could be 1 week, 2 week, depending on number of tasks that we added to our sprint. Most of the time, the burn-down chart doesn't look like this. It looks like this or like this. So the problem here is that the estimates were wrong and we need more time to add the feature. And in this case, the estimates are also wrong and we need less time to finish our tasks and feature. So this is not a good thing because we had more time to add more features, but we didn't use it. Let's get back to our project plan. Let's say we're building a vehicle and in first sprint, we're going to just build a bike. So something that can be used, that works. And after that, we're going to add features. Let's say in this case, an engine. In sprint 10, we already have some kind of motorcycle. And after that, we decided that we need to transport more people. And in sprint 30, we already have a bus. So what I'm trying to say, in sprint 1, we didn't have any clue in which direction is going to work the application. So we're just building something that works. And after that, we're getting the feedback from the clients. And after that, we're building whatever they want and desire the most. So we're creating our product based upon the feedback from the client. The product backlog is getting smaller and smaller with initial items, but this doesn't mean that we are not adding new items to the product backlog that will be input for the future sprints. So this means as long as the client is interested in using our product features and the product will be built. So The work is never finished as long as it has potential to grow and change. And that is the essence of agile development. We don't have a set of rules and finished baseline. We're never finished as long as the client is interested to use our product.